Since we are now done with question 4, let's read question 5 and then try to solve it. Okay. It says, based on the given spreadsheet, what is the total cost of purchasing 60 units of apples and 25 units of grapes? Okay. So you simply have to change the number of apples that were being purchased, get the total for that, and the number of grapes that were being purchased and get the total for that, and simply get the sum of the two totals. Okay, we are focusing on apples and grapes. Okay, so let's go back to our document. Okay, these are your apples. Okay, we are changing this from 50 to 60. So you simply click on this cell, then change the value by typing 60. You see now the total is 75 for that, and then we are going to grapes and then changing this to 25, and then the total is now 62. But we want the sum of these two. Okay, we want the sum of these two. So you can actually get the sum or write it in any cell here. Okay, you can choose any cell, but I'm going to do it here. So you simply do that by clicking equals to. Okay, after clicking equals to, select the cell that you're interested in, okay, or interested on. That's English. Okay, at the moment we're interested on D2, then type plus. Okay, and then you go to your total for grapes. Simply click on it. After doing that, click on enter, then it will give you the total of these two cells. Okay, so if you click on this, it shows you, if you double click on this, it shows you where the answer came from. Okay, so this is simply D2 plus D5. Okay, and then your answer is 137.5. Okay, so you go back to your assignment and choose where is that one? Okay, we are looking for 137.5. so this is your answer. Okay, then select that one by clicking on B here. Okay, so we basically done with the first 5. Okay, and then now let's move on to the 6th one. Okay.